How's it going, guys? In today's video, we're going to go over exactly how we perform cleaning of MacBook and iMac keyboards at our stores. Unfortunately, we have many customers that come into our stores, especially recently, that have attempted cleaning off their own keyboards and have caused what essentially to us looks like liquid damage, requiring full service of the keyboard, the top case, to be replaced on the computer. No more of that. Let's check out and show you here today on how you can perform cleaning of your keyboard for your MacBook or iMac keyboard. The process that we show you here today will work on any Apple keyboard for that matter. Let's get started. Performing the cleaning is simple as a few steps. It'll require a little bit of removal with some compressed air of the loose debris and dust that stand on the keyboard, and then also some agitation and finalizing it with a little bit of cleaning with some cleaner. Let's go ahead and check out the supplies and tools that we'll utilize in order to perform the cleaning. These supplies can be picked up online or at any store for that matter. Links in the description will be provided. As you can see, we have a cleaner, an all-purpose cleaner named Sprayway Glass Cleaner. Dubbed as a glass cleaner, however, being an all-purpose cleaner, it is alcohol-based, so it is completely safe to use on all parts of a computer. We have a compressed air. As you can see, this is one that you pick up at any supermarket or online, just the standard variety of compressed air. Also, a few tools you can see here. We have a dual or double bristle brush, a hog hair firm bristle brush, and also a microfiber. The double bristle brush uses soft or medium fibers. The firm one, of course, as it states, is firm. It actually uses hog hair to perform agitation. Let's go over and check to see how it's done. The first step will be using the compressed air to blow off any loose dust or debris from the keyboard initially. This will just give you some sight or observation on what you're cleaning once you get started with the agitation, which we'll move on to next. The method that we like to do is much like you would see on your teeth. Moving in the circular motion at 45 and 90 degree angles to get all sides of the keys is the best way to do it. And have your compressed air handy, as you'll want to blow away any debris as you clean. If when you're cleaning you're noticing stuck on objects or gunk on the sides of the keys, use the firm hog hair bristle brush to perform extreme agitation. Just be warned that this may cause keys to actually pop off. So if that does happen, stay tuned for a future video where we might show you how to reattach keys that have fallen off your computer. Once the agitation is complete, grab the compressed air and blow away any standing dust that you see that you've agitated out of the keyboard. Once done with agitation, let's go ahead and move on to the cleaning process. This will involve the Sprayway glass cleaner and also microfiber cloth. If you do not have Sprayway, the only other cleaner we're going to recommend using is water or isopropyl alcohol. The first step, utilizing the microfiber cloth in our cleaner Sprayway, load the microfiber cloth with the Sprayway. Only a small amount is needed. If the cloth is damp or sopping wet, the keys may become damaged as a result. And moving forward with the cleaning process, you only want to use light pressure. Do not press very hard, as this may cause even a damp cloth to disperse liquid into the keys, causing an issue. Now that you've performed cleaning of the keyboard, go ahead and use the cloth to wipe down the exterior of the computer. Take note of how the cloth is being utilized in this fashion. Now that we're done, it was easy. Now you can clean your computer's keyboard off with confidence without having to worry, or having us to do it for that matter, and you won't have to feel embarrassed when you come into someone's house using your computer, or if you bring it into service, you won't have to feel gross or embarrassed anymore. If you liked what you saw in today's video, please drop us a like or a comment letting us know how we did. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so you get updates and notifications when we post new content tutorials like this. Thank you for watching the YouTube channel, The Apple Exchange, and have a great rest of your day.